Okay, I'm going to teach you the motions for Joy to the World. I'm going to fast forward to the beginning of the song because we first come in, we stand like this with choir hands, and we'll be walking in from the back singing beautifully. And then you'll hear the tempo start to pick up, and when I go 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll clap. Okay, all the way, and I want you kind of moving and having fun as we're walking from the back to get into our positions on the stage, which will take a little bit of time. So that's why the whole first verse will be just clapping and walking and getting into place. And then we'll start motions going into the second verse. So I'm going to start it at the end of the first chorus, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so here we go. We're clapping. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and we're singing and walking. Now, now we should probably all be into place. Back to choir hands and kind of moving and having fun and singing. Then grace and makes the nations blue. And of course we're smiling. The glories of His righteousness and wonders of His love and wonders of His love and wonders. Coming up, heaven and nature sing, praise to Jesus the King. Like a crown, heaven and nature sing to Christ the tap harder, fast. Let heaven and nature sing. All of heaven and nature sing. All of heaven and nature sing. And we shake our hands. That's the song.